The Armada Hoffler Tower is a prominent office building located in the heart of the town centre in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Completed in 2003, this 23-story skyscraper stands at a height of approximately 396 feet, making it one of the tallest buildings in Virginia Beach. The tower is named after its developer, Armada Hoffler Properties, a well-known real estate company. It serves as a mixed-use facility, featuring Class A office spaces, retail shops, and restaurants, catering to the needs of business professionals and visitors alike. The building's modern design includes a sleek glass facade, offering panoramic views of the surrounding area. Inside, the tower boasts state-of-the-art amenities, including advanced security systems and high-speed elevators. Its prime location in the town centre makes it a hub for business and commercial activities, with easy access to major highways and the nearby Sandler Center for the Performing Arts. The Armada Hoffler Tower is a key landmark in Virginia Beach, contributing to the city's skyline and economic development.